Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80244FFF that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error message reads in full that the Windows Update ran into a problem and there were problems checking for updates. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this error typically implies there's something wrong with our network settings. So we're going to start off by just opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen. And hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So at this point, close out of here and then restart your device. And if you're still having a problem, we can also attempt to just completely reset our network settings back to default. Please keep in mind if you're using a Wi-Fi based connection or a Wi-Fi adapter to connect to the internet, you will need to have your credentials nearby because once we restart our computer, you will need those to get back on the internet. So once you have them written down or in close proximity, open up the search menu, type in network reset, best match, or come back with network reset, open that up. This will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. At this point, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. And now, hopefully at this point, the Windows Update error message 0x80244FFF should not be appearing on your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.